guys, as you can see right now on the screen, Nipro Group started their off-campus drive and hiring for graduate engineer trainee and diploma engineer trainee role. And job location, guys, Maharashtra they are mentioned, and required qualification, guys, only diploma and graduate means bachelor degree can apply for this opportunity. And branches, guys, only mechanical engineering for BTech, and for diploma also only mechanical branches can apply for this opportunity. And branches and batches eligible for this opportunity, guys, 2090 to 2022 batches can also apply for this opportunity. Fresher means 2022 and experience 90 2021, any batch can apply for this opportunity. And here some skills they have mentioned, like MS Excel, Word and PowerPoint they have mentioned, okay, and verbal as well as written they have mentioned, good communication skills. So these are required qualification and skills they have mentioned. I know any other criteria like percentage criteria for this opportunity, okay. So guys, simply how to apply for this opportunity, here you can see application for this job. So first name, last name, email ID, resume and all this thing, cover letter. Click submit, I agree, and submit. In this way, guys, you can simply apply for new opportunity. And now let's move to a last opportunity, which is from Simon. And Simon is hiring for graduate trainee engineer, and job location Bangalore, and no any qualification, nothing they have mentioned. So bachelor degree can apply for this opportunity. And batches, guys, 2090 to 2022 batches can apply for this opportunity, and no any percentage criteria and branch criteria for this opportunity. So simply apply for this opportunity, full-time opportunity. And here you can see 0 to 1 year of experience means 2022 batches can also apply for this opportunity. And nine earlier 20 batch so eligible for this opportunity, guys, okay. So here you can see apply, just click on, and after that you are redirect to login page. If already registered user can fill email ID, password, and new user can not a user, so agree and create your login ID and password. And after that simply apply for all these two opportunities. Separate apply link will be given in video description. From there you can simply apply for this opportunity, guys. If you face any problem, you can do comments and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description, so check description for more information, guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake, okay guys.